I'm Angela Doan, and I am Salt Lake City Mayor Biskupski's Senior Advisor for Education. I work on policy and programming for the entire city of Salt Lake City. This morning I will be doing a Hopes and Dreams session where I'll be walking our participants and attendees through the Civil Rights Movement and looking at hidden figures in the Civil Rights Movement, and then talking about how does that connect with hopes and dreams and possible barriers to achieving those dreams for students. The hope is that we'll have parents and families working alongside different policy leaders within our community. So we are hoping that there will be different politicians in the room, different administrators in the room, and teachers in the room to work with the parents and families as they discuss their hopes and dreams for the kids, and then try to tease out what might be what might be barriers and obstacles to achieving those hopes and dreams. And then eventually what we want to do is the ACME group will take all this information and teach parents and the group that comes how to turn it into a quilt. Meadowlark Elementary is being rebuilt, and they'll have a new building in 2019. And the goal is to have these quilts line the hallways as visitors and parents and students come into the school building. So it's just like the hallway of dreams.
Ana Martinez, first generation Mexican American. I'm the first to graduate from college university from my family. I'm currently a family school collaboration specialist here at Meadowlark Elementary. And I do the work because growing up as a kid, my parents, they were involved, but they always put all the responsibilities on me, all the interpreting, translating. It was me, because they didn't know anyone else who they can communicate with or who to ask for help. And the work that I do now, I want to make sure that the kids in the school aren't the adults. I want to make sure that the kids know that their only job is to go to school and get good grades so that one day they can become successful. And the parents, I want them to learn that they have someone that they can go to, someone where they can ask for help, and their job is to make sure they're supporting their kids and making sure that the end goal is for their kids to be successful. What I'll be presenting is about me, the work that I do, and the activity will be with the ball of yarn. So we'll stand around and we'll toss the ball of yarn around, and at the end we'll see that we're each connected in some way to make sure that we're working as a team and making sure that the kids are successful in the future.
Mi nombre es Isela Ibarra Martínez. Tengo viviendo aquí en el estado de Utah 12 años. Soy ama de casa. Tengo dos niñas, una va en cuarto y otra va en segundo grado. Me gusta participar aquí en la escuela. He venido para participar y así que más padres también participen, porque es bueno para todos nuestros niños, y así entre más apoyo está la fuerza para seguir adelante. Mejores planes, más cambios para mejorar la escuela. Es una actividad que hicimos entre padres, maestros y los demás invitados para que todos diéramos nuestro punto de vista en cuanto a los sueños de los niños, y todos dimos nuestro punto de vista, y así al final todos estamos conectados para un mismo resultado, un mismo fin.
What I want from today and from here on out is that we as a school and as a community, we can work together and not have a wall between us, no barrier, that we are a team, and the teachers want the same and the parents want the same for their kids, and we should be able to see that together. It matters because the parents think so highly of the teachers. They think they're the world, and I need the parents to know that they don't have to be afraid or intimidated, that teachers are human. They're just another person who they can communicate with. And they can work together, and it's not just one person they can go to, it's anyone in the building.
The big takeaway I want participants to have when they walk away today is to understand that the struggle to fight for educational equity and the struggle to get our kids to achieve what we want for them and what they want for themselves has been a part of the narrative of our history for hundreds of years, if not thousands of years. All families, all parents want the best for their kids, and everyone's striving for the best. And so we might feel isolated in this time, the present, and like our own family problems might feel like no one else can understand it. But there are other people out there that have gone through very similar experiences, and there have been different obstacles and barriers people have had to overcome to get to where we are today. And so we want to build on those building blocks and know that that there's a past that shows a lot of work has been done to get where we are today, and then there's a future that we're striving to make better for our kids. So as we walk away is to tie all these parts of our history together so that people can believe that there's going to be a better day. It's important not to give up on your dreams because it's what kind of feeds you and gives you that passion in life and gives you a vision of what you want for yourself. Dreams can shift and things can change, but if you don't have anything internally to drive yourself, then you give up your hope and you give up possibly a better day. And so keeping your dreams alive is the way of feeling that positivity in yourself.
Porque un sueño como que vamos a, lo perseguimos, o unos planes, porque sin sueños nos estancamos o no hay más, no hay más por qué luchar, y así por un sueño hay que luchar para llegar a él.